Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Everyday English 360. I'm Anna, and I'm so happy you're here again.
Hi, Anna. Hi, everyone. It feels amazing to be back here talking about English again. Yes, thank you, everyone. You are the real reason we keep making these lessons.
It sure does. And to all our wonderful listeners, thank you so much for joining us today.
That's right, Anna. Today we're going to talk about our day, what we do from morning to night.
Today, we have a fun and super simple topic for beginners.
Nice and easy. But before we start, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. It helps us a lot.
Exactly. It's such a useful topic because we all have a daily routine. Plus, we'll learn some important English verbs and short phrases.
Okay, Anna, are you ready to start our day?
Yes, please do. And we love reading your comments too. So tell us about your day in English below.
Well, I usually wake up around 6:30 a.m., but honestly, sometimes my bed says, "Stay here, Rayan."
Absolutely, Rayan. Let's begin with the morning. What's the first thing you do when you wake up?
After I finally wake up, I get out of bed and go to the bathroom. I brush my teeth and wash my face. It helps me feel alive.
Ha ha ha. I know that feeling. I usually wake up around 7 a.m. And yes, I also fight with my pillow before getting up.
Oh, the kitchen, my favorite place in the morning. What do you make for breakfast, Anna?
Me too. That's the best way to start the day. After washing my face, I go to the kitchen.
Simple and healthy. I usually have tea and cereal. If I'm lucky, maybe a cookie sneaks in too.
I usually have coffee and toast. Sometimes I eat a banana or an apple too.
Same here. Then I usually leave the house and go to work. But sometimes I work from home.
Ha 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 ha. That sounds nice. After breakfast, I get dressed. That means I choose my clothes and put them on.
Then I sit at my desk and start working on my computer. Sometimes I check emails or write short reports.
Oh, really? That's cool. When I go to work, I put on my shoes, my coat, and grab my bag.
Meetings. Oh, yes, those can be fun. Or very long. Sometimes I wish meetings had popcorn.
Sounds like a busy morning. At my work, I also spend time on my computer. I have meetings with my team and answer messages.
I often eat a sandwich or a salad. Something light so I don't fall asleep after.
Haha, that would be great. After work starts, time flies. Soon it's lunchtime. What do you usually have for lunch, Rayan?
That sounds fun. After lunch, I usually go back to work and finish my tasks.
Good idea. I sometimes bring my lunch from home, but other times I go out to eat with friends.
Ha ha, I say that too. After work, I usually go home. That's the best part of the
Same here. I keep working until evening, and then I finally say, work, goodbye.
day. That sounds perfect. I sometimes cook dinner too. Maybe some pasta or soup.
When I get home, I like to relax on the sofa and watch TV for a bit.
Ha ha ha. Pizza saves lives. After dinner, I often wash the dishes and then listen to music.
Yum! I also like cooking. Sometimes I try new recipes, but sometimes I just order pizza.
A walk after dinner sounds peaceful. I do that too when the weather is good.
That's nice. I usually read a book or talk to my family. Sometimes I even go for a short walk outside.
Same here. I try to go to bed around 10:30 or 11.
Before bed, I always brush my teeth again.
Haha, me too. Okay, Anna, let's do a quick review of the key phrases we learned today.
I usually sleep a little later, maybe around 11:30. But I always say good night to my phone before I sleep.
That's a lot of useful verbs, all things we do every single day. So practice saying them out loud in your own routine.
Great idea. We said, wake up, get out of bed, brush teeth, wash face, make breakfast, get dressed, leave the house, go to work, have lunch, go home, cook dinner, wash the dishes, watch TV, read a book, go for a walk, and go to bed.
And remember, learning English takes time. Be patient, have fun, and laugh at your mistakes.
Yes, try to talk about your day in English from morning until night.
Yes, thank you so much. We hope you enjoyed this fun English chat about daily routines. And tell us in the comments, what do you do in your day? We love reading your stories.
If you liked this video, please subscribe, like, and share it with your friends who are learning English too.
Bye, everyone. Have a great day or night wherever you are. Music.
Until next time, keep practicing your English and keep smiling.